everything I want to be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what is true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life for this love of shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And I do believe that living in the storm will find some light, knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Leaves slowly spilling in, it might not come again. I don't want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I